Data Engineering Professional of the Year 2022. This award will go to a data engineer who has shown material and value impact on his/hers constituents through managing and organizing data and data pipelines, while also keeping an eye out for trends or inconsistencies that will impact the business goals.
And the award goes to?
And the award goes to Saranda? No.
None of those. You have them out there. Nice. Right. Oh, the anticipation of this.
Korina Kuhar.
Is she here?
It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a party like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Look, mommy, I got the X, so get in the taking drugs. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug, get in the getting rough. You can find me in the club.
You can get the flowers later on. I can keep.
Oh wow! Hi. Doesn't look like so many people from up there, but
It's a little bit scary,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, a bit. But no, thank you so much, the organizers, first of all, and thank you for including the category. It's not so often, you know, data engineers get credit. It's just like they come and find us if something doesn't work. So yeah, it's been a true pleasure, and you know, thank you everyone for being here. Thank you for voting for me. And yeah, let's do some good work in the future. Thanks.
Thank you so much. I can take it. Congratulations. You can go from that side.